Hey, WooCommerce Store owners. If you're still copying orders into QuickBooks by hand, this one's for you. Let's connect your store to QuickBooks Online with LedgerPort so your books keep themselves. First, what LedgerPort does. It syncs your WooCommerce sales straight into QuickBooks Online automatically. Orders, refunds, and fees, all matched for you. No more manual reconciling at the end of the month. Before you start, two quick things. Make sure your site has SSL turned on and that your store currency matches your QuickBooks home currency. That second one trips people up, so check it first. Now let's install it. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New. Search for LedgerPort, click Install Now, and then Activate. That's the plugin in place. Right after activating, the Setup Wizard opens on its own. Click Connect to LedgerPort to get started. You'll be taken to app.ledgerport.com. Log into your LedgerPort account, pick the business you want to connect, and click Authorize. That gives LedgerPort permission to read your store data. From here, LedgerPort does the heavy lifting. It sets up a secure connection, creates the API key for you, and starts listening for new orders, products, and refunds. You don't touch any settings in WooCommerce. When it's done, you land right on your LedgerPort dashboard, and that dashboard is your home base. You'll see your sync health, recent activity, anything that needs a quick review, and a Sync Now button whenever you want to push things over manually. That's it. Your WooCommerce store and QuickBooks are now talking to each other, automatically. Give LedgerPort a try, and if this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more tips.